how to install iOS 17 public beta on iPhone. So if you want to install iOS 17 or 18 public beta on your iPhone, then first you need to open up your browser. On your browser, you need to go with beta.apple.com. Once you search beta.apple.com, you'll have this kind of interface. You need to scroll down and tap on sign in. Tap on sign in again, which is on the bottom, and go with your Face ID. Once you've signed in here, make sure that you've selected iOS, or if you're using any other device, you can select the other device, or you can just simply tap on iOS. Now you need to scroll down and then tap on enroll your iOS device, and again you need to scroll down and tap on open beta updates, and it will directly take you to the software update on your settings. And here you need to select iOS 18 public beta. After selecting, just go back and then tap on update now, which is on the bottom, and it will install or update iOS 17 or 18, which is the latest update on your iPhone. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.